Can we take a moment for my makeup doll? Brows on fleek. Yes.
You just leave this up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave it up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show.
Aloha everybody, welcome to my channel. This is your girl AJ Amy, and today I am here with a makeup tutorial. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in such a long time. The last one I did was like about a year ago or something like that. I remember I used to come in with these Eid looks for you guys. I'm not sure if this video will be up just in time for Eid, but if it does, make sure you guys take as much notes as possible. Take your notepad, have a pen handy, and make sure you are writing down these steps. This is my new way of applying makeup, so it has changed. Like, my game has changed ever since I last did a video. So make sure you are making good use out of this time that I'm teaching you my skills for entirely free. Okay, which is also why you need to subscribe right now. So hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Anyway, I am gonna go straight into this makeup video, and if you guys would like to see how I achieved this stunning look, just keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, I started by applying my base, and today I use my Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel, and this is the water gel, and I also mixed it with my MAC strobe cream, and this is just to give me like a really nice radiant skin. And then I went ahead with my YSL foundation, and this is the All Hours foundation. I got a tester because I wanted to try it out to see. I still had to go in with my favorite foundation, which is the Clinique foundation, because I feel like this foundation just gives me a really nice coverage because it covers all my dark. So my makeup routine has changed completely compared to what I've last posted on YouTube. This is so different. Like, I take different steps. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty contour stick, and this is in espresso, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this literally not even on the hollows of my cheek, but on my cheekbone, because that's just what it is nowadays. This is how we just apply it. Next, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. cream brush. I'll make sure that I link all the products that I use down below in the description box. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this as my blusher, and this is a cream blusher. So what I'm doing now, I'm just mixing it together with that contour that I applied, and this is just gonna give me like a really nice color. I'm also gonna put some on my nose and on my chin. So next, I'm gonna take my Too Faced concealer, and this is in the shade Butterscotch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on the outer corner of the eye, and some on my forehead and on my chin. And then I'm gonna take my Rihanna Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 310, and this is a really super duper light shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in the front of my eye. I'm gonna also put some on my forehead, on my chin as well, and on my cupid's bow. And before I continue, what I like to do is to contour my nose first. So I'm just gonna shape it, and I'm just using the same espresso to just contour my nose. So as I'm contouring, I don't take it down my nose anymore. As I said, a lot of things have changed. This is how I do it now, and it's working really nicely for me. I'm just joining it with my eyebrows. So just keep adding the products until you feel like, okay, this is enough. I don't like to over contour, so I'm just gonna keep it at a nice minimal amount. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back in with my concealer to highlight the center. And I'm just gonna stop right there, okay? Next, I'm gonna take my HOB Studio Beauty Blender, and then I'm just gonna blend these. So I like to use the tip of this beauty blender. See, when I get to my forehead, instead of using the beauty blender like this, I'm just gonna turn it upside down, and this way it will just give me a really nice blend, like a super smooth blend. So the products that we've lost from the cheeks, don't worry about it. I'm just gonna go back into my e.l.f. Blush and just get that sorted. So again, going back with my contour brush and just refixing that. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Laura Mercier setting powder, and this is in the shade Translucent, my favorite ever. I'm just going to use this to set my under eyes and basically set everywhere that the concealer has been applied.
When you first laid eyes on me, I remember 'cause I noticed you turned your head to really see. Now you've been busy walking that same old.
And then I'm gonna go in with my Studio Fix in NC55, and this is by MAC. So I'm just gonna set the rest of my face.
Time to step up our game.
I'm just dusting off the powder because I don't want my face to be super white. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami, and this is just to bronze my face. I really love this bronzer. Like, it gives me such a nice tone. It's like reddish, brownish type color, and that's what I like. I just love how tan it makes me look. Really love this product here. And next, this is one of my favorite drugstore products, and this is by Revolution, Jaded by Revolution. So it's an orange blusher, and I just love the color that this one gives me.
It's safe to say it.
Oh, I love this product right here. So next, I'm gonna move on to my brows, and I'm gonna for the first time try the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I've seen so many reviews about this brow freeze. I used to use this other one from where is it from now? I forgot the name. I'm all about the feathered brows, and what I'm doing now is just shaping my brows and just lifting it up and just getting it ready for the feathered brow that I like to do. And you just can see the difference. So this is with the product, and this one is just without. And then I'm gonna move in with my Benefit Precisely My Brows Pencil. My ultimate favorite. I've never, like, some products you guys already know that I use because I've just never changed. I just can't change. So what I'm gonna do with my new stroke brows, what I like to do is just fill in with strokes. That's all I do. Just like to fill them in with strokes. And because I haven't got anything here, so I just make sure that I'm just stroking it. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal my brows. I'm gonna use the same concealer that I use underneath my eyes, which is my Too Faced one. And then I'm gonna take a flat brush and just neaten up my brows. Next, I'm gonna use a TrendyMakeovers makeup brush, and I'm just gonna blend this concealer out.
On the corner of my road, I should've
And then I'm gonna use my setting powder to just set the concealer.
I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plus?
So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place eyebrow pencil, and this is like a felt pen, and this is what I'm gonna use to just do my dark strokes.
Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home. But I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone.
And these are my brows. So this is how I like to do my brows nowadays, and you guys can just see how natural it is, the strokes and everything. I just love it. So this has been my technique for such a long time, and I'm not changing it because I'm just super pleased with it. So moving on, let's go to the eyes. For today, I haven't thought about what eyes I want to do, but I know I want to use this palette for my first time back with a makeup tutorial. I don't want to overwhelm you guys with a lot of colors and stuff, so I'm gonna keep my eyeshadow quite natural today. I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a really nice soft brown Glam, something that I know for sure you can wear. Obviously Eid is approaching. I hope I do upload this video up just in time for Eid. If I don't, then I'm sorry. I'm sure you'll be going out after Eid anyway. This is a technique that you guys can go ahead and try at home. It's really simple. Now I'm just putting the first color, and then next I'm gonna use this brown tone here to just deepen in my crease.
Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now.
And you can just see how nice that is, deepen in the crease a little bit with like a darker chocolate color. So I would just say build your colors, don't just keep it flat. So I would like to go in with even a deeper brown just on the outer corner of my eye. So next I'm gonna go in with my GVS Place, and this in the shade here. So this is more like a champagne color. It's a really nice matte champagne color, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in front of my eyes. So I'm being super effortless about this because this look is so simple but yet so pretty, and it's very achievable. So I'm just shaping, following the shape, and more like creating like a cut crease, but it's not a cut crease. I'm just basically making sure that the eyeshadow is applied on, just following my eye shape. So next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back in with that brown shade we use on the crease, and then I'm gonna apply that just on the outer corner here of my eye. And this is just to blend in that champagne color with the brown that we put on the outer corner of the eye.
I don't know, I'm feeling lazy. Don't even care.
So next what I'm going to do today, I'm going to use my darkest brown from this palette as my eyeliner. So I'm just taking an angled brush, and then I'm just going to start basically lining my eyes. So never mind if you got any fallouts underneath your eyes, we can always just dust that off with a powder. I am currently getting fallouts, but that's fine. Don't you worry about fallouts, we can easily fix that. So I'm just dusting that off because I don't want it to stain my under eyes right there. So when I get to the end of the eye, I just blend that brown out because I don't want the liner to be sharp. So I'm just blending this out with the eye because I am not wanting to do any like cat shape liner or anything like that. I'm just kind of diffusing it into the eyes. I'm going to use an even more darker brown to just put that on my lash line. So eyeshadows, like the secret to getting a beautiful eyeshadow is just mixing the colors and creating radiant and not leaving it flat. If you want a bomb ass eyeshadow, you need to build your colors. So don't use one color. Like if you're going to use an orange color, use orange, and you know orange is nice with pink. So again, using your color wheel, mix it with pink, blend it with purple. Just like think about all the colors that is really nice with brown and just use that. So you need to know your colors as well to be able to do eyeshadows, like if you want to kill eyeshadows. I think I might want orange under eyes today because I've never done that and I've been seeing people do it, and I'm like, maybe I should try this. So I want to go ahead and try filling in my waterline with an orange. I don't have an orange liner, so what I want to try is using my e.l.f. cream blusher. I want to use this on my waterline today. Fingers crossed, hopefully that works out for me. So I'm going to use a TrendyMakeovers liner brush, and I'm just going to dip it in my cream blush, and I'm going to put that on my waterline. If this makeup looks goes south, just blame it on this.
Do it for my old homies, they be back home still homegrown.
Not bad, not bad. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that with my blusher. So basically doing the same thing that we did on the cheeks, I'm gonna do on my waterline.
Yeah. Just set the vibe now, make my heart beat.
Next step, I'm gonna use my mascara from Kiko, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my lashes with this.
In the fire, and I'm fading like a flower.
So with the bottom part, I'm gonna carefully do it so we are not staining the orange bit. So make sure this is nicely done.
We're making love. My hands are tied. I'm waiting.
So I'm adding as many layers as possible, and this is just to make it stand out. Now the next step is I'm gonna take a Trendy Makeovers lash, and this is in the style DS05, and I'm just gonna put this on and I'll be back shortly. So I am back with the lashes on, and you guys, these lashes, I love them. Love them to bits. So next I am going to be moving on with my lips. So my favorite lip liner is 321 by Kiko, and this is what I'm gonna use just to line my lips.
No, 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 no. Running up, my hands are tied. I'm coming back, my hands are tied.
Then what I like to do is take a dark brown pencil, and you can use any pencil of your choice as long as it's like dark. So you can use like a dark eyebrow pencil, and I just like to go over it. Next, I'm going to use Juvia's Place, and this is Sissy lip gloss. I also want to mix it with MAC see-through lip gloss in the middle. So I'm going to take a see-through lip gloss, and I'm just going to put that on the lip line. And this is just a clear lip gloss. I'm gonna take my concealer by Maybelline and just put this in the center. And then use that MAC see-through lip gloss to apply it on top of that concealer. I mean, look at my lips, guys. Just look at that lip combo. Again, everything is just about building. Like when you build things, makeup is all about just building the colors, building everything. Once you do that, you're gonna kill it. You're just gonna kill it. So the next step we are going to be doing, I'm gonna take some setting spray, and I'm using my MAC one to just set my face. It feels so refreshing, guys. I'm gonna use this highlighter to just highlight my face, and this one is from MAC. So I'm just gonna put it right here. Are people still applying highlighters on? I'm not quite sure. Like, it's slowly dying down, like compared to how we used to rave about highlighters and stuff. Like, I used to love highlighting, but yeah, I just don't hear people rave about it anymore. I know everyone is all about the liquid stuff. Liquid things are killing the world. So I'm just applying some on my forehead and some on my chin and Cupid's bow, and some on the tip of my nose, and also right there. Just making sure that that selfie area is all nicely highlighted. We can also highlight this side of my nose. And this is all for like when you take pictures, makes it look so pretty. And obviously when people see you in real life as well. Then I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlight. And this is just like a little bit of a shinier thing. But I just tend to like take a little bit and just dab it on top. I love this one. I use this on my brides. So far this is the makeup look. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna sort my hair out and I should be back. Okay guys, this was the finished look for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys at least got to learn something today. Make sure you guys try and recreate. Practice makes perfect. If you do try to recreate these looks that I create for you at home, you will tend to get better with your makeup application. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it, even though I'm quite late for iftar. I need to run now, but I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye.